Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look on an unopened relic from 90s. This is Mercedes Benz T1 passenger van from Hongwell. Road Monster branded Hongwell models were sold in 90s and were more like a toys due to low price, worse quality and unusual colors. I have got 3 unopened models from eBay, for very low price, to plug some gaps in my collection. Of course, it was a nostalgic affair too, because I had some of these road monsters in childhood. Here we go, a Mercedes T1 van, that comes from same legend team as a VW T3 or Ford Transit. Real scale van was produced from 1977 until 1995 as a base for various modifications. Some of them still do their job, outliving younger Vito or Sprinter vans. In my native city, these vans were a common sight in 90s and early 2000s, replacing most of our F2203, especially as a route taxis. But this thing, that balances its existence between model or toy, is pretty simple in design. But still, it shows all necessary details of T1. For some time, it was only option in 1/43 scale. Early models have opening doors. Later variations were heavily modified, so it doesn't represent T1 van anymore. Unfortunately, these gloves makes it harder to open doors. I will leave them untouched. Nowadays there are highly detailed models of Mercedes Benz T1 vans, but these Hongwell creations became as a vintage relic. Not only due nostalgic memories, but from fact that a lot of them had hard life as a toy. Fate of a real scale car. Hope that you liked this video. Write in comments what kind of T1 van from Hongwell you had or currently have.